Hello, this is Sharif Abu Zaid from Abu Zaid Media, and in this video I'm going to show you how easily you can create blog posts or articles inside your WordPress website and how you can create a blog archive page. And if you stay to the end, I will give you a bonus tip that will help you rank your blog posts in Google and other search engines. So let me show you how easily you can create posts for your WordPress website. Let's suppose that this is a dentist website and they need to create posts and add a blog page for their website. So how they can do this? Let me show you first how you can create a blog post inside WordPress. You can easily do this by going to the WordPress dashboard, and in the left menu you will find an item called posts. This is where we can create a new posts or new posts. If you want to add a new one, you simply click add new to add a new blog post to your WordPress website. And here, this is the canvas or the place where you will write the blog title and add content to your blog post. So first we need to add a title. This is where you will have, or you can add a title. Simply WordPress make it easy by adding this placeholder. So let's add a title here. I will just have created a template or some content here, and let me copy this title, how to make shiny teeth. So this is the blog article or blog title. After adding your title, maybe you need to add some content. You simply can just add the content by copying the content from your Google Docs, your Word document, or any Word editor. So let me just copy and paste this content. Now this is the content of the post. Let me just add it here. So this is the content, and it doesn't look or doesn't seem very beautiful. So we will need to maybe add some sections and add some subheadings and add images, which I am going to show you how you can do this. So let's say this is the starting paragraph. If you just want to add it, make it smaller inside or at any part of the paragraph, you just add your cursor and you click enter, and now you have another paragraph. Now let's say that you need to add sections for this article, because articles without sections will not look beautiful. To simply make it like a section, you just highlight the part you need to make a section or a heading, and you click this paragraph and you search for or just change it to be heading. What if you just want to add a heading inside a section? Okay, maybe you need to add a heading here. You need to write a new heading. To add a heading, you simply go to the right or the left side of the screen and you click this plus button and search for heading. And this is the heading block that you will be able to, or you will use to add heading. And you just drag and drop it here, and you add your section, other section. Let's call this second section. Let's call it second section. Okay, so let me fix this. This is the second section. Now, there is one mistake that I need you to avoid while you are writing or adding sections to your website. Now, to your blog posts. Now, each section, sections should be divided into headings, and each blog post should have one main heading one, which is usually the blog title. Now, if for any other sections inside your blog post, you need to make sure they are headings too. How you know this? If you just hover over any section, you will find this. This is H2. You can change it to H3. You can change it to H4. But for this, because this is a main section, we'll just keep it to be like H2. If you have like a sub item for this section, maybe this is section 1, okay, and this is section 2, and you need to add a section under section 1, maybe this is section 1.1, and you needed to add it here. Again, you can just let's double click and add a double space here, and again we click add new or plus button and click heading, and you drag and drop it here, section 1.1. This section shouldn't be H2, it should be H3. Okay, so this is the way that you lay out your blog posts. Now let me show you how you can add an image to this blog post. Simply to add an image, in any place you want to add an image, you just click. Let's suppose that we need to add an image here. Okay, again, maybe let me give you another way. You either click enter and go to the plus section and search for an image block, or there is another way. Once you are here, you can simply click these three dots and choose like insert after, and this is another plus button. You can just click and search for the image. This is where you can search for all of your blocks. Let's click image and add here. And now we either need to upload the image to our website, or if we have already uploaded the image before, we can choose from the media library. To add an image or upload an image, you simply click upload. You just search for the image and you click open, and it will be uploaded to your website. If you have uploaded images before in the media library, you click media library, and here you can choose the image. Maybe you would choose this image and click the button. So now we have an image inside our blog post. Now let me show you how you can add a video inside the blog post. Again, let's suppose that we need to add the video after this paragraph. You simply click these three dots again, and you click insert after, and you click the plus button, and here you need to look for what's called a YouTube blog. So you try just YouTube and you choose it, and here you add to embed or add the URL of the YouTube video. To add the URL, you just go to any video like this video, you just click share, and this is the URL you want to take. So you just copy it, and let's go back to the blog post and you paste it here and click embed, and this is how easily you can add a blog post. Now let's preview the blog post here. In a tablet, it looks fine. In mobile, it looks fine. So let's go back to desktop again. Now for the blog post, you either now maybe you need to publish it right away if you have just added everything, or maybe you need to save it and come back again to review it or add some other items. If you want to just save it now and don't show it up inside your blog pages, you click save, you click a draft, save a draft. So this is a draft mode now, and you can just view it here. No one else can be or will be able to view the blog post. So this is the post. Okay, this is the post in a draft mode. If you like to add it in publish it, you simply go back again, you click publish. Now everyone who has access to your blog post to your website and your blog page will see this this post. Now after creating maybe a number of posts, I have already created a few posts before, maybe, or it's of course recommend that you add a blog page inside your WordPress website menu. To add the blog page, you simply you need to have you need to create a new blog. To add the blog post in your website menu, there are 3 steps that you need to follow. First, you need to create a new page, and it's by going to pages and click add new, and let's call this page blog. Okay, and click publish to publish the page. And now let's go back again to the WordPress dashboard. This first step is done. Now we need to set up this page to show all of our blog posts. You simply do this by going to settings and choose reading, and this is a setting where you will dictate or tell WordPress that I need all my posts to be shown in this page. You go to the post page and you search for the blog page and you click save changes. The third and the last step will be to add this page into your WordPress menu, which you can easily do by going to appearance and go to menus. And here, this is the main menu. We'll look for the page which we have just created. Let's search for it here, blog or blog. And this is the page. We just click add to menu. And let's say we need to have it here, and we save the menu. Now let's go to the home page again and make a refresh and see what will happen. As you can see, this is a new item in the menu, and we called blog. We click blog, and here all of our posts will be shown. This is a group of posts that I have already created before. But as you can see, all the blog posts have an image, but not this blog, this post, which is the new one that we just created. So how we can fix this? Every blog, it is recommended that every blog article inside WordPress have what's called a featured image to show up here when you have an archive or a grid of your blog posts. This can be easily added by going again to the blog post, and under the posts you'll find here what's called featured image. You click set the featured image, and again you choose an image. Let's choose this image and click set featured and click update. You will find the blog post has a featured image now. Before leaving this, we need to give you another recommendation, which is to create categories for your blog post. As you can see now, this is all these posts. I mean, they are under one category, which is dental tips. Maybe you need to have different categories. Maybe like how to cure your teeth, and maybe this is a category, and another category is like something like how to make them shine, how to have shiny teeth. So these are two categories or two topics of your blog post. So you need to organize all your blog articles under these two topics. How you can do this? You can simply go to the article and you click category, and here you can add, either choose the category or even you can create a new category. Let's create this cure teeth and click update. And now if you go to the blog page again and we click refresh, you'll find that this blog post has been added to the category of cure teeth, and this other post has been added to the dental, or it has already marked as a dental tips blog posts in this category. So this is how easily you can create a blog post. Let me show you now how you can add some items to your blog post to help them rank in Google and other search engines. To do this, you need to install an SEO plugin, or a search engine optimization plugin that will help you change your title description and description title tag and description tag, that will help you rank better in Google. How you can do this? You easily go to the WordPress dashboard and you click add new and search for SEO Press. SEO Press is one of the most powerful SEO plugins inside WordPress. There are other types of plugins, maybe Rank Math, all-in-one SEO, but personally I like to use SEO Press. So you just click install now and you click activate. And now when you go again to the blog article editor and you click refresh and you go to the bottom of the page, you will find a new item called SEO. Here you can add your title tag. Maybe this is the name of the article. Okay, maybe this is the article title. Maybe you can just copy and paste it here. Okay, and maybe you say how to make shiny teeth in 2023. So to grab the attention of the people, and maybe you need to add like a short section here, short description, description, and this is description which will show up in the mobile review or even inside WordPress or inside Google and other search engines like maybe Yahoo and Google. So this is how you can add another plugin that will help you rank inside in other search engines. And one bonus step is even you can add a social image here. Of course, adding an image for your blog readers can be different from showing an image for the social media platform. If you will share this blog article in Facebook or Twitter. Personally, I had some positive experiences by showing this. By changing and tweaking my social media images for the blog post, it has increased the engagement of my readers. So this is how easily you can create a blog post inside WordPress, and you can add a blog archive page in WordPress and add it to your menu. And hopefully this last step will help you rank your articles in Google and other search engines. So I hope that you find this article helpful. If you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up or click the like button and subscribe to the channel and share the video with your colleagues, friends, and everyone or anyone that you think will find this interesting. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.